got one too.
I appreciate your prayers, but I'm keeping it real. Kitchen, I'm sketching and gripping the steel. Hand in my pain and it's keeping concealed. Mad at the world and I'm ready to kill. Hollering in pain and they letting me live. Making me sick and they calling me ill. The mood that I'm in, I die to the fear. No lie, testify. Left hand on the Bible, right hand to the sky. My days be long, nights seem long. Call on the help and nobody is home. All by myself and I feel so alone. Cold world, yeah, and I know it's for sure. Worst day of my life and it's just getting better. Asking him why, looking for answers.
Dark days and dark nights, heartbreak dreams from this heart of mine. Don't understand it, can't understand it. Dark days and dark nights, heartbreak dreams from this heart of mine. Don't understand it, can't understand it.
Bombay and that Alizé, purple Sprite with that grandma, yay. Sip, slurp, scissor, hurl. Do it again on the same next day. Hey, marijuana ganja, blowing crop dust like I was a farmer. Mary Jane, that dame, my coda infested my home and then living with roaches. Swarmanizing, traumatizing, the reason that made me despise men. My savior's bringing them gifts, presented as wise men, trying to entice them. Liars hung wired up by the men before, but I was the first. But this is no race, a wretch, a mess, and I'm trying to find help. Looking at pictures and making it sadder. Feeling so helpless, it's making me mad. The worst day of my life and it's just getting badder. Asking him why and I'm looking for answers. Wondering if he gon' ever come back. If he isn't, it making you pick up the slack. Cause this place that I'm in, I might never come back. Feeling so lost and don't know where I'm at.
Dark days and dark nights, heartbreak dreams from this heart of mine. Don't understand it, can't understand it. Dark days and dark nights, heartbreak dreams from this heart of mine. Don't understand it, can't understand it.
I pick up on the siren quick. I don't know what I can find if someone could get me out the mess I'm in. Brain lost, gone and all its sin. I know I'm hurting from my past pain, and people tell me I'm going insane. I think they lying, so I keep pressing, doing the things I used to do, trying to impress them. This pain, I gotta let it go.